finished your homework? Okay, good. Let me explain your homework once again. So all of you open your workbooks. Take out your workbooks, Nana. Page number 5. In page number 5, I gave first bit and second bit. I gave first bit in page number 5 and second bit I did not give. I gave first bit in page number 5 and in page number 6 fourth bit. Only 2 sums I gave. So 2 questions I gave. In first one, take the big animal. Here goat and elephant. 2 animals are there. So goat and elephant. In these 2 animals, which one is big? Goat or elephant? Which is big? Goat. Which is looks like big? Goat is bigger or elephant is big? Yes, elephant is big. So we have to put the tick. We have to tick the goat or elephant. Elephant. So first one, this is goat now. So leave that and put the tick on elephant box. And next turn the paper in page number 6. In page number 6, fourth bit. In page number 6, fourth bit. Circle the car near the house. Here 2 cars are there. For example, this is a house. This is house. Here 1 car is there and here also 1 car. 2 cars are there. So which is nearer to this house? Which is nearer to this house? This is nearer or this is near? This is near. So we have to circle the car near the house. Which is near the house, we have to circle that car. So this is near. So circle this car. So don't write car. Already car shape is there. Car figure is given. So you have to circle this figure like this. Understood? This is previous day's homework. Everybody has to check your homework. If any mistake is there, means correct it. And today we are going to learn about top, bottom. Near and far completed. Next, big, small also completed. Now we are going to learn top and bottom. So top means, for example, I am taking water bottle. This is an object. So this is top. This is top and this is the bottom. This is bottom. Understood? This is top and this is bottom. So here I kept 2 objects on water bottle. Understood? So one is on the top and another one is on the bottom. Which is on the top? Which is on the top? Yes, chalk is on the top. And which is on the bottom? Which is on the bottom? Yes, duster is on the bottom. This is an object. On this object, I kept one object on the top of the water bottle and another object on the bottom of the water bottle. So, bottom of the water bottle I kept duster and top of the water bottle I kept chalk. And similarly, this is a chalk box. This is also an object. So, here I am keeping duster and here I kept chalk. Now, so which is on the top? Which is on the top of the chalk box? Yes, duster is on the top and the chalk Sadir. So this is duster. On this duster I kept one matchbox and top of this duster I kept one matchbox and bottom of the duster also I kept one matchbox. So which one is on the top? Bigger one or smaller one? Bigger one is on the top or smaller one is on the top? Yes, bigger matchbox is on the top of the duster and the small matchbox is on the bottom of the matchbox, bottom of the duster. You understood? Now once open your textbook, children. Here two kids are standing. So one is on the, these are steps now. So on these steps, one kid is standing on the top and another kid is standing on the bottom of the steps. Top of the steps and bottom of the steps. So he is at the top and she is at the bottom. అంటే ఈయన పైన ఉన్నాడు, తనేమో starting. She is at the bottom. And similarly, in practice zone 3, write T on the object that is on the top. So write T on the object that is on the top and B on the object that is at the bottom. So this is an object, car. This is a car. Which is on the top of that object? Which is on the top? Is it on the top or this is on the top? Yes, this is on the top. Cat is on the top. So for this object we have to write, this is on the top now. So we have to write T for top object, which is on the top. For that object we have to write T. And this is, maybe it is dog. So dog is on the bottom of the car. Dog is at the bottom of the car. So we have to write B for dog because it is at the bottom. Understood? Practice zone 3. Practice zone 3. So for cat is at the top of the car. So we have to write T for cat and dog is at the bottom of the car. So we have to write B for dog. So for top one T will be top. So T for top. So which is on the top we have to write T. And B for bottom. So which is at the bottom, so write B for that. So this is at the bottom, so write here B, and this is cat at the top, so write T for cat. And next I will give more examples for top and bottom. Here two baskets are there. So I am keeping this basket here. I am keeping that basket there. So like this. So now say which is on the top? Which is on the top? Yes, basket is at the top. Basket is at the top and matchbox is at the bottom. Understood? Basket is at the top and matchbox is at the bottom. And one more example. This is a book. So now I am keeping like this. Now which is at the bottom? Yes, it is at the bottom. This diary book is at the bottom and this matchbox is at the top. And next, do you know what is Yes, it is under the basket. Understood? Matchbox is under the basket. Under the basket. And next, another basket is on this basket. This is on and this is under. And kinda. Okay. And next, say one more basket is there. We have one more basket. I'm closing like this. Now, where is this matchbox? It is at the top or on the basket? On the basket. And this chalk, I'm keeping the chalk under the basket. Okay, next I'm keeping this basket on the where it is? It is on the bench. This basket is on the bench and I am keeping this duster under the bench at a kinda. So I am keeping this duster under the bench. I kept this duster under the bench and basket is on the bench. Understood? Do you know the difference between top, bottom, on, under? Understood? Bottom means we have to keep like this at the starting point, and under means we have to keep inside the kinda. Okay, so here also I kept this duster under the table. Now open page number 12. Page number 12. The girl is on the table. So she sat on the table. She sat on the table. And the boy is under the table. And the table kinda unnadu. Understood? So girl is on the table. And the table paina undi girl. And boy is under the table. And the table kinda unnadu. Okay. So table paina, table kinda. And next, draw a smiley face for object which is on the child. This is a child. On this child, which is on the child? Which is on the child? Ball or toy? Ball or toy? Which is on the child? So toy is on the child and ball is under the child. Understood? Ball is under the child and toy is on the child. So listen once again. Draw a smiley face for the object which is on the child and sad face for the object which is under the child. So for which one? Which is on the child? Toy or ball? Yes, toy is on the child. So we have to draw a smiley face for toy and a sad face for ball because it is under the child. Because it is under the child. Understood? So in practice zone 4, so draw a smiley face for toy and a sad face for ball. So simple. Like this we have to draw and like this. Okay. So two faces you have to draw because toy is on the chair and the chair paina kuchundi. Okay. And next ball is under the chair. Under the chair kinda undi ball. So that is the difference. And next above, below. Above and below. So see here the aeroplane is above the flyover. This is flyover. This is flyover. Ante not on the flyover. Ante flyover meeda ledu. Flyover paina inka paina nunchi veltundi. See here. So the aeroplane is కింద ఉంది. సో బిలో, అబౌవ్, బిలో. ఓకే, సో పైనుంచి. ఆన్ మీన్స్ దాని పైన, అబౌవ్ మీన్స్ లైక్ దిస్, అబౌవ్, బిలో మీన్స్ ఇంకా కింద నుంచి ఇట్లా. ఓకే, సో aeroplane is above the flyover and car is below the flyover. And next practice on 5, draw a smiley face for the object which is above the tree and sad face for the object which is below the tree. Above the tree, below the tree. So before going that example, this is a basket. Now duster is above the basket or below the basket? Is it above the basket or below the basket? Above the basket. Now below the basket. Understood? Below the basket. And next, this is on the basket. And the basket paina undi. For example, next, this is, now where is the duster? Duster is under the basket. Okay, duster is under the basket. Duster is on the basket and above the basket. On, above. And this is below and in. Understood the difference between on, above, below, in? Understood? Okay, next. See here, draw a smiley face for the object which is above the tree and a sad face for the object which is below the tree. Above the tree, below the tree. And the tree kinda, tree paina. So which is above the tree? Sun or ball? Which is above the tree? Sun or ball? Yes, sun is above the tree. So sun is above the tree. So we have to draw a smiley face for sun. We have to draw a smiley face for sun. And next, ball. This is a ball. This is below the tree. So it is below the tree. So we have to draw a sad face for ball. Okay, we have to draw a sad face for ball which is below the tree. For that we have to draw sad face. And which is above the tree. Above the tree ante tree kanka paina. So tree paina nunchi kanipistundi kada sun. So we have to draw a smiley face. Understood? And next, today's homework is, once take out your worksheets. Take out your worksheets, all of you. Pick the child on the top. So who is on the top? So here two kids are there. So one is here and another one is here. So who is on the top? Pine ever unnaru. Top means pine. So he is on the top or this boy is on the top. So those who are standing on the top, for that you have to put the tick. Next, tick the object under the table. Under the table. So here one object is on the table and another object is under the table. So one is on the table and another one is under the table. Okay. Now which is on the table? Which is on the table? Yes, book is on the table. And which is under the table? Yes, ball is under the table. Understood? Ball is under the table. And next, These two you have to complete. Okay. So if you want to do complete second and third sums, two sums, second one. So put the tick for the child which is on the top and which is at the top, and next tick the object which is under the table. So complete these two. This is your homework. Page number 5. Page number 5, 2, 3. 2, 3 bits in worksheet. 2, 3 bits in worksheet. And next, so keep all those books aside and take some objects. Take everybody has a ball. Maybe if you not have ball, if you have any toy, take one toy, pencil, one book, eraser, all those. Take 3-4 objects: pencil, eraser, sharpener, book, and take one water bottle. So are you taken? Okay. Now I will give some instructions. According to my instructions, you have to keep that objects. So first one is book. So go and keep this book under the chair. So go and keep the book under the chair. Under the chair. So book, go and keep under the chair. Completed? And next, keep the pencil. Keep the pencil. Keep the pencil on the, keep the pencil on the table. Keep your pencil on the table. Okay. And next one more. Put your eraser at the bottom of the table. Put your eraser at the bottom of the table. Okay. Put your eraser at the bottom of the table. And next, water bottle. Put your water bottle at the top of the bed. So put your water bottle at the top of the bed. At the top of the bed. So completed these 4 instructions. Very good. Understood for everybody? Good. Now you have to complete your homeworks. I will check your homeworks afterwards. Okay, children?